I returned my son's birthday present and couldn't stop smiling. My son's birthday was right before Christmas, and when he opened the PS2 I got him, he told me it wasn't what he wanted. He said he wanted to keep it anyway, but I thought he was being really ungrateful, so I went to return it later that day. While I was waiting in line, another kid was standing near me looking at the games. He turns to his mom, who looked exhausted and had cigarette burns on her clothes, obviously very poor. The kid goes, "Wow mom, look how cool this one looks." I overheard they were doing early Christmas shopping. I guess he didn't believe in Santa anymore, which made me sad because he looked only 9 or 10. She told him that wouldn't fit in his Game Boy, and he put it back. He looked really sad while he walked away. The game he wanted was for the PS2, and I knew what I had to do. I went over and took the game he wanted, bought it, and put it in the bag with everything else. When I walked up to him, he looked scared and thought he was in trouble. I handed him the bag, and when he saw what was inside, he didn't believe it. He told me they didn't have enough money to pay for that, but I told him he could have it. He was in shock and asked why I was giving it to him, and I said it was because Santa sent me. He looked so excited, and his mom was crying. She hugged me, and I walked back out to my car before I started crying too. When they left the store while he got into his mom's van, I saw him doing a little happy dance. I returned my son's birthday present and couldn't stop smiling.